All right, I just got off a webinar. Was at the new house, and because I had to be there for some furniture to be delivered. Of course, they delivered the furniture 10 minutes before we were starting the webinar, so that was exciting and fun. But furniture's in, webinar's done. By the way, I'll have our editor, Seth, put a picture of how I actually did the webinar, considering no office and in a kitchenette. It's old school, but it worked. Laptop and an iPad, baby. Check this photo out. Okay, so listen, if you got to get stuff done, there's ways to get it done. I usually sit behind a computer with like 4 or 5 monitors, super spoiled. But still, we had fun with this webinar. But walking towards the office so I can show you an updated piece. One of the things I do want to show you too, I showed you the other side. There are windows in there. So like we will get sunlight in the office. So if I come over to this side, you're gonna see, if I flip this around, you're gonna see like the windows. And also I'll tell you like an idea that I have for this side. So over on this side, there are windows that will let some natural light in. But I don't know about you. I look over here and I'm envisioning like some area, maybe small awning with table, chairs, where we could sit outside and do work if we so wanted to. But the good thing is we do have windows for some natural light. Let's go inside and see what it looks like now. Oh my, we're getting there. Now, this is just the primer. So the paint will be coming after this, obviously, prime then paint. And the paint is a little bit darker, but still, if I start to look around, whoop, you can see it's still wet in some areas too. It's literally, they just left a little bit ago. But all the walls are starting to be primed. And what's nice too is they're fixing little spot there, little spot there. So this will be super dope. Next shot you get probably will be 2 or 3 days, and we'll come and see what this looks like when it's painted. I'm curious if it'll be painted and the floor will be done or just painted, but I'll let you know.